In primetime news this evening, relief for farmers stricken by drought. NEPA confirms latest fish kill caused by trade effluent. And later, the 127-year-old Bull Bay police station demolished.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, it's Wednesday, so of course I'll have the gas prices update. But in addition to that, I have some news regarding the bauxite levy. The government has decided to forego some $10 million. I'll tell you which entity won't be paying over the next few years a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And for an update on what's coming up in sports, here is Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the FIFA Women's World Cup begins on Thursday, and the reggae girls are breathing a sigh of relief. We'll tell you why a bit later on.
A football fan.
I am a reggae girls fan. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking what more can be done to help farmers amidst the ongoing drought.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.